Hello friends! Welcome to Kidswise Learning. In this video, we're going to learn addition. Are you ready? Let's get started. It's going to be so much fun. Let's get counting. How much is 5 plus 3? Correct answer is 8. Are you ready for the game? How much is 10 plus 2? Correct answer is 12. How much is 9 minus 4? Correct answer is 5. How much is 15 plus 7? Correct answer is 22. How much is 3 multiply 3? Correct answer is 9. How much is 4 multiply 2? Correct answer is 8. How much is 9 multiply 4? Correct answer is 36. How much is 10 plus 9? Correct answer is 19. Great job, kids! You did it! You completed the quiz. Keep up the awesome work. I'm so proud of you. Let's keep learning and having fun together. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you had fun, don't forget